Hi there, it's Khadijah here from bloominto.com, and I am hosting a pre-Valentine's Day workshop here in this private residence in the El Cerrito Hills. But before I tell you the details of the workshop, I want you to check out this amazing view that you get to witness when you come to the workshop. The beauty of the San Francisco Bay Area. So I would love to invite you, if you are a woman living in the San Francisco Bay Area, to our pre-Valentine's Day workshop. It's called Bloom into Love, Ignite Your Passion. And in this women-only workshop, we are going to explore the various facets of love. Self-love, love in relationships, love to purpose. And it's just going to be a great time in uplifting community of sisterhood, and you are invited to come. You're invited to wear red if you feel so inspired. So you can be in all red, you can wear a red accent like nail polish or lipstick. I am definitely going to be wearing red, and I think it's such a fun opportunity to be in a festive mood. You're also invited to bring a blank Valentine's Day card. So you want to go out and purchase a beautiful Valentine's Day card that you would love to receive. And I will give you further instructions when you come to the workshop. Snacks will be provided. It's Valentine's Day, so we're going to have a little bit of chocolate. So if there's any other women in your life that you would love to share in this experience with, please share this with them. So again, the workshop is on Saturday, February 10th. It's from 1 to 4:30 in the El Cerrito Hills, and let's get together, be in community, and deepen our connection to love. I look forward to seeing you.